This is how I clean my CNC bits for my Shapeoko CNC machine. And when you use these bits over a period of time, you see that they will start to get a little bit rusty. You will get some dirt get stuck on it, especially if you cut acrylic and plastics. You will also get some gunk getting stuck to the bit. And what I use to clean this is engine oil and kerosene, and it's a mixture of 50-50. And then I use a toothbrush to scrub it up. Let's get started. Take a little paper towel so you have it next to you, so you don't ruin your table. And like I said, this is a mixture of engine oil. I'm using a classic engine oil and some kerosene, 50-50. And I just dip my toothbrush in it and take the bit and then just start scrubbing it. The kerosene helps dissolve the different material, and the oil helps protect the bit. It's good to do this also every once in a while on your bits to give them a nice layer of protective oil. Same thing for these ones. Well, this one is not as dirty, but you see you get some gunk around here and also at the tip of it. After I scrubbed it a bit, I take a little bit of paper, kind of clean it off, try to get the last gunk, but substantially better. You can see also how much dirt I get just from rubbing it just a little bit. And there you go. They're ready for storage again. Don't forget to put them in their casing. Ready for a new cut.